Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting a new playlist using a new programming language, which is going to be Python. So first we're going to download Python. So we're going to open our browser and we're going to search for download Python. And we're going to press on the first link. Here we're going to be met with a button that says download Python 3.11.3. While recording this video, that is the latest version of Python, but yours might be different. So all you have to do is press on the download button and it's going to start downloading. Since I already have Python, I'm going to cancel the download, but all you have to do is wait till the download finishes and open the file. Next, we're going to download VS Code, which is going to be the editor we're going to be using for this playlist. So we're going to download VS Code. Again, we're going to press on the first link. And based on your operating system, you're going to use the different download links here. Since I'm using a Windows machine, I'm going to press on the download for Windows button. Again, I already have VS Code installed, so I'm going to cancel the download. Once you've downloaded VS Code and Python, you can close your browser and launch VS Code. When you launch VS Code, you're going to be met with this welcome page. The first thing we're going to do is download an extension that's going to help us debug and run our Python files. So at the left sidebar, we're going to look for the extensions tab. And in the extensions tab, we're going to search for Python. We're going to download the Python extension that is made by Microsoft. And once it's done downloading, it's going to install and it might ask you to restart VS Code. So you're going to do that. And after you finish that, we're going to go and create a folder where we're going to be storing our files. So we're going to press on File, Open Folder. I'm going to be saving this folder on my desktop. So I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call it Learn Python, and we're going to select this folder. Now in this page, we're going to go to the left and next to Learn Python, we're going to see a plus sign, which when you hover over it, it's going to say New File. We're going to press that to create our Python file. We're going to be naming it Hello. And in the previous playlist, on the Learn C playlist, we used the .c extension for C files. And for Python files, we're going to be using the .py extension. So we're going to say hello.py. Once we've opened our file, we're going to type in the first piece of code in Python, which is going to be the print statement or the print function. The print function is going to display a certain text onto the terminal. So the syntax to do that is typing in print, and in parentheses we're going to have the piece of text we want to display, which is going to be called a string, which is simply a sequence of characters. So inside the print statement, using double quotes, we're going to type in hello, comma, world. This is going to print hello world onto the terminal. Next, we're going to save our file and we're going to press the play button, which is located at the top right. As you can see in the terminal, it has printed hello world. Now here, when you press the play button, it might not work for you. It might say there's no interpreter selected. If you face this error, what you have to do is go on to the View tab and press on Command Palette. Here you're going to search for Python, select interpreter, and once you click on that, it's going to show you the versions of Python you have installed. So you're going to pick the latest version of Python you have. Then when you press play again, it should work. Another way you can run your Python files is by running them straight from the terminal. So the command for that is going to be python 3. So you're going to type in python 3 followed by the name of your file. Here it's going to be hello.py, and we're going to press enter. as you can see again, it displays hello world in the terminal. This is all about the introduction to Python. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more daily programming videos.